I promised myself that I wasn't going to buy the Echelon Kit from COVID Instruments, but I changed my mind. I looked at it, decided I had to have it. Even Snake asked me if I was going to buy it and take a look at it, and I said no, because it had, I thought, duplicate picks in it, and just another set of picks that has duplicates in it that I don't really need. But after I saw Sandman's non-review of this and listened to Snake's comments, I changed my mind. I thought it's a great kit now, and I want to I want to show you what how I've done it. It's the same as everything I think everybody else has, but this is the way I have it laid out to fit in the case here. And this way I found that it closes a whole lot easier with the ergo tuning tools at the top. Comes down and it's flat, flat like the Arbiter is. Even though this has a lot more tools in it, I've been able to make it an everyday carry. I put a lot of tuning tools in here that wanted in here, and added some cone picks, and added the riv pick also in here, so you get single pin pick. But this is a good kit. It really is. It has the beginner kit in here. It has 3 hooks and 3 rakes, and the straight bar turning tools with the teeth in there. It has 3 of the ergo turning tools here, 3 different sizes. And over here it has the goat wrench, and it has a tempo pick, and it has a probe for the tubular locks you'd use the goat picks for. One thing it didn't have a turning tool for the tempo pick. So I found one and I stuck it in there so that you would be able to pick a tempo pick if you wanted to. I'm just going to show you how these tools work. I won't be picking any locks, but I'll just try and show you, give you a demonstration. Here's a master. Let's get the ergo turning tool out here. This is the 50. And it is very, very solid in here. The teeth in the tip really grab a hold. And it picks very well. Turning tool fits in there, and the pick fits in there. It doesn't knock the turning tool out when you pick that first pin. So I think that's a great turning tool. And let's see, what else do we have? Oh, let's look at the American. This is a tubular lock. Get out the goat wrench and the probe. Get that in there. And it holds very, very tightly. Very solid, good grip, very comfortable. You can take your probe, you can go in there, you can push each of the pins down and get them set. And eventually you'll get the lock open. but these work very, very well. I'm very pleased with these tools. The temple rake. Insert the turning tool in here, tension wrench, and the temple rake has recess on one side, then it has embossed on the other side, and this is the side that goes into the lock, and the pins are at the top of here, and they'll just go up and down this ridge here with the dots, and hopefully, like any rake, you know, you'll get lucky and you'll be able to open it up. Of course, I'm not going to be able to open it up. I just want to demonstrate what you do with it. But that's how that works. Get that in there. So this is the Echelon Kit, and the quality of it is exceptional. And like I said, the review or non-review that Sandman did really convinced me that I wanted to have this. And so, do I recommend it? If you want it, yes, I recommend it. If you don't have any use for it, or you got all the tools, you don't need these things, of course, you know, you don't need it. But as for a compact kit, I can't see anything any better for these type of tools. Like I said, the quality is exceptional. The workmanship on the tools, the tumbling, the case itself is excellent. It folds real easily. It's flat and compact, just like the arbiter set. So it's, you know, which one do I carry? Do I carry both of them? I don't know what I'm going to do. I guess I have to figure out before I go out what I'm going to be picking, whether it's more bypass or whether it's more single pen picking. But both these have individual attributes that the other one doesn't have, but they both complement each other. So I recommend both kits, and I recommend you customizing the arbiter to meet your other picking needs that aren't, I can't think of the word now, it's, that isn't bypass, there you go. My age is catching up with me. My birthday's coming up soon, and I'll be 73, so hopefully my memory won't be gone by then. But I just wanted to give a quick rundown of what the kit is, and say that it's a thumbs up for me. So thanks for watching, and thank you for your patience in struggling through this.